Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to set up a way to access your chat history on Messenger. And all we have to do is to launch our Messenger application, and then we're going to tap on our settings, which is located after we have tapped the three lines, and then we're going to tap on privacy and settings, and then we are going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chat, then message storage, and then as you can see, in order for us to access this, we're going to have to toggle on the message storage, and just here, as you can see, we can actually download our end-to-end encrypted messages, which are the chats that are in our Messenger application that have been backed up and have become a history end-to-end encrypted messages. So we can actually tap on Namo, and that's where we can access our chat history on Messenger. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.